Hi, I'm Julia. I'll show you how to manage your X lists, adding new accounts and removing old ones in bulk. First, open Circleboom. Click Essential Toolbox in the sidebar and select Manage Your X Lists. Then you'll see every list you've created, each showing its member count. Click into the list you want to manage. In this case, I will manage the actors list with 82 members. I've ended up with a few accounts in here that aren't actually actors, so let's clean that up first. Select the accounts you want gone using the checkboxes. Click Remove from List. Circleboom asks you to confirm how many accounts you're about to remove, so click Remove to clear them out in one go. After that, click Add or Import New Accounts. Type or paste the usernames you want to add, separated by commas, and click Add Accounts to bring them into the list instantly. That's it. Quick, clean, and done. Happy circle booming!